Hello, good morning. My name is Edinson Bueno. I am 37. Live in Barranca Bermeja, Santander. I am system engineer student and I am in the fifth semester. I am married. I am married. I have a beautiful daughter. I work in Ecopetrol in Workover. My wife is my wife is in psychology and my daughter goes to school and like to skate. And I like to run by and cook. I like to spend time with my family. Now I'm going to talk a little about the vacation in San Andres. My vacation in San Andres was of the best. I had the best beach and the color of the weather are beautiful. And San Andres is one of the most important tourist cities here. My tourists arrive online on holiday season. You have to visit the different beach, the Morgan Cave, the Blood Hall, the aquarium, all the then are very beautiful places. The climate of the island is warm, running between in 26 and 29 degrees, with the air relief heat, usually blown during the day. There are various of the hotel and there are barriers beautiful in from the beach. Seeing the suns in something beautiful. In the hotel, they prepare a grave, various of the married cumin. These are delicious. People console me, then too many. I recommend you visit this beautiful place. We had a great time. We all alive. The only recommendation is not to buy seafood on the street because they come break down. Thank you. Bye bye.